Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of s to the power of 4. We have 4s to the power of 3. First the derivative of s, you got about number 1. So we have number 24 in here. This is about the constant. So if we do first the derivative, you got about 0 in here. So in this one, we just have only s to the power of 3 minus 6. This one we have 4s to the power of 3 minus 24. In this situation, we need to divide by number 4 so that you got about this one in here. So we have du over number 4 after we divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 minus 6. The s we change by this one. So this one we have u to the power of negative number 3 over 2. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 3 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 3 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. This is about negative 1 over 2. Similar for this one. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.